everyone. I am M. Purnima. Hello everyone. I am M. Purnima Devi, working as an assistant professor under AML department. Today I am going to discuss about web services. So write service and endpoint interface. So we need to write additional classes representing data structures. So write class implementing the interface. Next one is a compiled classes. So next one is create configuration files and run JWS DPs tools to create web service. Deploy web service to Tomcat. So the JWS DP server. So just to copy converter.iva or to Tomcat web apps directory, we need to use manager app to deploy. So the next one is enter converter.va or a directory URL text box. JWS DP servers testing success within HTTP. Web services current active current address WTL. So port order name. So remote interface implementation class model. Next one is a JWS DP client. So write a JSP based client. Input currency and value, output table of equivalent values. This is the currency values, dollars, euros and yen. JWS DP client. So configuration file input to WES. Compiled to create client XML version equal to 1.0 encoding UTF-8. Configuration XML NES java.some. WS, so WSDL, so location equal to HTTP, so package equal to that some types of configuration. So JWS DP client, so directory structure WS compile generates content of classes and SRI, so web apps, other web application document based directories, so converter client, web INF, so classes my so client, so SRI my client. So JWS DP client is starting point for writing a client if the web service author does not explain how. In the WSDL, find the name attribute of the service client element. So service name equal to historic currency converter. So look in Java file with this name to see how to obtain a proxy object for the service public interface historic currency converter extends java.xml.rpc.service public my current client that is and all basic things. So JWS so client, so obtaining the proxy object Java file consisting of service name followed by implementation. So defines a class implementing a proxy generating interface. Client code begins with so method call on his class. So concon equal to new historic currency converter implementation get cur and port. JWS DP client, so using the proxy object. So public interface extend java.rmi.remote. So public my client exchange values from dollars. So through java.rmi.remote exception public by client exchange values from euros double through java rmi.remote exception. So public my client dot exchange values from init double again. So through java rmi and all. So WJS DP client, so structure will be represented by just Java beans classes regardless of how they are defined on the server. So this and all they defined on the server. Public class, so exchange values product double dollars, product double euros, product double yen. So public double get dollars, return dollars. Public void set dollars, double dollars. This dollars equal to dollars. JWS DP client. Beam obtaining and calling so proxy object. So public exchange values or get values exchange values so equal to null. So new historic concurrency value. These are all the basic programs. So JWS DP current client JSP document using this bean. So this and all x value, this and all euro. So next one is a basic thing here and all as a namespace specified in configuration files. So XML schema access WSDMA namespace. So WTL as an example. So target. So here is the name for data type definition NS2 in the rest of document. So exchange value. So WSDL exchange this basic programs which can be easily maintained. So document using the bean. This is central input parameters. Parameter list the input messages it contain and output messages contains. So WSDL example this is where the operations were done from here and over here. So use encoded is mentioned here, that is only the particular thing that implement the operations using SOAP encoding of data structures and RPC JWS so DP So these and all basic programs I that listed out here. Thank you.